we will continue our learning about irregular shapes, area and perimeter on this side. So this shape, the first question says, what is the measure of the missing side? So I'm trying to find the measure of this side, which is A. So if I look above it, I see this line is kind of like a part of this line. So it's a little piece of this line. So this piece goes with this piece. Then if I look over here, the rest of this line up here goes down with this line. So this line plus this line must give me this line. So my hole is 10 inches. I'm not sure what this one is yet. And this other part is 8 inches. So to find this out, I must do 10 minus 8 equals 2. So my answer for this question is that this missing side is 2 inches. Let's move on to number 5. What is the area of the irregular shape above? So in order to find this, I must break this shape into 2 different shapes. So I could either break it here and make two rectangles. So I could finish this rectangle. And then I could make this a rectangle. Or another way I could have done it is I could have made this a shape and then this another shape up here. But let's stick with this one for now because that's the one I drew. So first I'm going to try to find the area of this shape. So in order to find the area of this shape, I need to find its length. So I have this number, this number, this number, and this number. So I'm going to look for the length and the width. So this would give me the total length and this side would give me the total length. I see that this side has a number over here, so I know that the length of this shape is 6. So I'm going to put A equals 6 times. So that my length is 6. And then now I need to find the width. So the width is this piece right here, but this one, it's definitely not 10 inches because that's this whole entire thing. So I'm going to look below. This little one is going to be 2 inches. So my area for that shape is 12 inches squared. So I can put that inside, 12 inches squared. Now I need to find the area for my next shape. In order to find this, I need to find what the length is. So this piece is one of the lengths, and this is another of the lengths. So now I have to decide, am I going to multiply 10 or 8 for the length? Which one will be my length? Well, it's not going to be 10 because this piece is also a part of the 10. So I'm going to have to come down here. This is the piece I'm looking for, 8 inches, because this piece goes into this other rectangle. I just need to use the 8 inches. So my length is 8 inches. Now this is a length, but it doesn't tell me a number right next to it, the width, sorry. This is one of the widths, and this is another width. So this one doesn't tell me a number next to it, so I'm going to take the measure from over here, which is 3. So I'm going to do 8 inches times 3 inches for A to be equal to 24 inches squared because it's area. But I'm not done. So this one is 24 inches squared. So now I have this one is 24 inches and this one is 12 inches squared. And I want to find the whole area of the whole irregular shape. So I'm going to have to add 24 plus 12 in order to get 36, which will give me the total area of this whole irregular shape. These 2 rectangles added together will give me 36 inches squared. One more, I just want to show you one more missing side when we're not going to subtract. So if we're missing a side, it's not always going to be subtraction. Let me show you why. So this time I'm missing this side. So if I'm missing this long side, I'm also looking at the 2 other long sides. So I'm going to mark the 2 other long sides. So this side plus this side is going to give me this side. So this time I don't know what my big one is. So that's A equals something. I know that this one, this width is 2 inches, and that this one is 3 inches. So 3 plus 2 is 5, so this side must be 5 inches.